Welcome to Venusri Group of Institutions. Laws of Motion, 12th problem. A vehicle having a mass of 1000 kg is moving with a uniform velocity of 20 meter per second. Suppose here vehicle is there. The vehicle is moving with 20 meter per second. Mass is 1000 kilograms. Sand is dropped into it at the rate of 5 kg per minute. The force needed to keep the vehicle moving with a uniform velocity. So before keeping the sand, how much velocity there? After keeping also, it move with the same uniform velocity. So how much force needed for that? Ask the question. Now, so force is equals to rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum. So it is also equals to dm by dt into v. So it is equals to, so here m means what? Mass, and v means velocity. So here the sand is dropped at which rate per minute? 5 kgs. So I am converting kgs into minutes. 5 by 60. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Into velocity is 20. The vehicle is moving with 20 meters per second. So 21 ja 23 ja. So 5 by 3 newtons. So I will explain in Telugu also. Listen. See, ఒక వెహికల్ 1000 kg per 1000 kg మాస్ ఉన్నటువంటిది 20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీతో వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు దాని ముందర శాండ్ను 5 kg per minute తోటి వేసినప్పుడు ఏమైంది? దాని యొక్క వెహికల్స్ వెలాసిటీ అనేది తగ్గుతుంది. మళ్ళీ మొదట ఎలా ఉందో అదే యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ తోటి వెళ్ళడానికి మనం ఎంత ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది వెహికల్ మీద అని క్వశ్చన్ అన్నమాట. సో dm by dt into v. సో dm మీన్స్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ద శాండ్ యూ టేక్ 5 by 60. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ శాండ్ వేసింది, ఇక్కడ మనం వేసినటువంటిది ఏంటిది? శాండ్ అనమాట. దీని యొక్క మాస్ తీసుకుంటున్నాము 5 kg per minute. 5 kg 1 minuteకు 60 seconds. సో ఇంటూ వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ద వెహికల్ ఈజ్ యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ 20 meter per second. సో 21 ja 23 ja. సో 5 by 3 is the newtons force needed. Next question, 13th question. A stone of mass m falls from the top of a tower of height h. So here it is the tower. So stone mass is falls from the top of a tower like this. Mass m. Height here h. Height of the tower is small h I am taking. Now it buries itself a distance h by 8 deep in a sand. Suppose here sand is there. So it goes h by 8 deep in a sand. No. Here sand is there. H by 8 is there. The time of its penetration in sand is. So I think it is not here. So here sand there means sand లో h by 8 వెళ్ళిందని అర్థం అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడే వెళ్ళి ఉంటుంది. శాండ్ దీనిపైన ఉంటుంది కదా, కుప్ప ఉంటుంది కదా, h by 8. Now velocity of the stone on reaching the surface of the sand is v is equal to under root of 2gh. From the formula v square minus v square is equal to as. U is equal to initial velocity of the stone is 0. So A is equal to place G, S is equal to H. So V is equal to under root of 2GH is the formula for this. Now, final velocity of the sand is 0. Next, so here V is equal to 0. So displacement here how much in sand? So S is equal to H by 8. So time of penetration. Time of penetration is equal to T, small t. సో ఎంత లోపలికి వెళ్ళింది శాండ్లో అనేటువంటి పెనిట్రేషన్ మీన్స్ చుచ్చుకుపోయింది. సో P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు S బై T ప్లస్ 0 ప్లస్ అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2GH by 2. So here final velocity in sand is 0. So velocity of the stone on reaching the surface of the sand is this formula. So this implies, so we want T, small t. So you do up and down, reverse. T by S is equals to 2 by under root of 2GH. So substituting S is equal to H by 8 here. T is equal to H by 8 into 2 by under root of 2GH. 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar. So H by 4 root 2GH. If it is option is given, if it is not given, suppose another option is given, you write another method also. So H by, so it goes inside 4 4 the 16, 2 the 32. 32 GH is the answer. So here final velocity plus initial velocity, nothing, average velocity here. Velocity is equal to, so it is 0. It is on reaching the surface of the sand by 2 average velocity. So ఇలా చేయాలి మనం.